Good afternoon. This is Marty Lester. Today is March 24th, 2017. I'm in the offices of Lester Law in Hickson, Tennessee, to talk to you about this week in immigration. Fortunately, there were no enormous stories in immigration this week. No travel bans, no international incidents, but there was one very, very important incident to come out of the state of Louisiana, a court ruling that affects the rights of immigrants to marry U.S. citizens. In order to understand this, I need to talk to you for a minute about the story of Victor Veau. Victor Veau is a United States citizen. He's been a U.S. citizen since the age of 8. He's lived in Louisiana almost his entire life. Now, Victor wanted to marry his fiancée, Heather, who was born in the United States. They'd been together for 10 years. But Victor and Heather found that they could not get a marriage license issued in the state of Louisiana. This is because of a Louisiana law that just took effect a year ago, requiring people born outside the United States to produce certified copies of their birth certificates before a marriage license can be issued. U.S. citizens have to do this also, but if they don't have one available, it can be waived. Not so with people born outside the United States. It's an absolute requirement. Well, for Victor, this was a problem. Victor's family had fled Vietnam before he was born, and he was born in a refugee camp in Indonesia. He came to the United States when he was 3 months old, but neither Indonesia nor Vietnam ever issued him an actual birth certificate. Victor and Heather went from parish to parish to parish in Louisiana trying to get a marriage license and were unsuccessful. So they took their case to court, arguing that the Louisiana law was unconstitutional because it impermissibly infringed the right to marry, which is a fundamental right in the United States. And yesterday, the Eastern District of Louisiana agreed and put a stop to the Louisiana law. This is an issue that we've seen throughout American history. The fundamental right to marry has been burdened at various times, whether it was the right of people of different races to marry in Loving versus Virginia 50 years ago, the right of people of the same sex to marry, and now, in 2017, the right of immigrants to marry U.S. citizens. Well, it is good to know that in the world of immigration, which is often hard and cold, apparently there is still a place for love. I hope that this has been helpful to you. Please feel free to contact us if we can give you any more information. You can reach us at area code 423-402-0608 or on the web at www.lesterlaw.org. Once again, this is Marty Lester, and until next week, stay safe, stay strong. We'll see you then.